Hello everyone, I want to show you how to delete or remove or uninstall softwares from your computer within 2 minutes. Okay, all you have to do is go to your search bar and type in control panel, and right here you will click and open the control panel so that you uninstall the program, the unwanted software. Alright, under the programs menu you click uninstall program. Now right here are the list of programs installed in my computer, and all you have to do is select the unwanted program under the number of programs listed over here. Okay, so all you have to do is highlight the unwanted program and then click the uninstall button. You click the uninstall button, highlight the unwanted program, click uninstall, or you can right click and then select uninstall, just like this. Wow, that's great. Okay, now here I want to show you just a simple example of installing a complete uninstall involving the wizard. So right here I install this software, and all I'm gonna do is click uninstall. Wow, so here's a pop-up, and all I have to do here is select yes. In case you receive such a pop-up, simply click yes to continue the uninstallation process. Yes, continue uninstalling. Wow, as you can see, the uninstall is now completed. Wow, please subscribe for more amazing content, and let me see you in the next video. Bye bye.